Alright, hi guys. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be looking at and showing you how to install the no freeze control on your air conditioning system. This is a new product, fresh out on the market. As you kind of take a look at the box here, you can see we do have it Intertech certified. Also, it is assembled here in the US. The thing that this product is going to do for you, it's going to stop your evaporator coil from having freeze-up incidences when your AC has a malfunction. This part can only be installed by a licensed AC technician on a system. And today looks like we're installing it here on a Linux system from 1989, a little bit older system. But we have Kirk here who's going to walk us through the install and what you need to do to get that hooked up. So with further ado, I will get it over here to Kirk and show us how it's done.
Alright, here guys, I'm going to go over the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need some type of wire stripper. You're going to need some type of multi-tool or a couple hand tools. This one happens to be a Phillips 1/4 inch 5/16 flathead. And you're also going to need a drill. Any drill will work as long as you have a 1/8 inch drill bit. That's going to be what you're going to require to drill the 4 holes out for the mounting. I've already kind of installed the board a little bit just to make the video a little bit faster here. I already drilled all 4 holes out. This is our installation sticker. You can leave this sticker if you want. If you want to peel it, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on this system. So you're going to, after you drill out your 4 holes, you're going to want to install your board. Again, make sure that these clips are nice and sturdy in the board. Let's go ahead and snap it in. Do one at a time. Use 2 hands. They are plastic. Alright, once you got in there, give it a little test. Let's go over the wires. I already have them pre-installed just for the video purposes. So let's go over your common and your hot wire. Your hot wire for off your transformer is going to be red, and your common is going to be blue. On this particular old transformer here, we have a yellow as common, and we have the blue wire is the red wire, which I have it installed where the transformer hooks up. I have dual spade connectors in case you need them as well. The 2 yellow wires, this is where we're going to break the condenser. If you don't have a drain line switch already hooked up, then you're going to want to break it off the board. If you do, you can go ahead and connect it with the drain lines in series. So here you have the in coming from the terminal board to the in on the board, and the out on the board is going to go to your condenser. So all we're doing is we're breaking the condenser on our potential freeze up. And let's go ahead and turn the system on. I do have the system on with the power, but because it's a furnace, the switch is not engaged, so I cannot get a risk of getting shocked. But it might be better for you guys to turn the power off if you need to be. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here you should see that the board is working properly. You're going to see that it's flashing. And what that flashing means is that if a freeze up occurs, it is going to work properly. We do not have the sensor plugged in yet. We just want to make sure that we're getting that flashing light so we know that the board is working properly out of the box. So we can go ahead and turn the power off to the board. We're going to go ahead and plug the sensor in. It goes on one way. It has a little foot. And we're going to go foot to foot. Use 2 hands. It is very small. Once it clips in, you're good to go. Now that you have everything installed, you can give it another little test to make sure it's not going to come off. And go ahead and power it up. Should get the solid light. If you don't get the solid light, that probably means that the sensor is not working properly, or you just need to simply hit this reset button. And if you hit that reset button and it goes back to solid, then you know the system's working properly. And if a freeze up happens, then we have this potential no freeze control that's going to help. And here you have it installed. We have the sensor that running out of the unit going all the way up to the coil. We installed it onto the copper part of the coil. If you happen to have an aluminum coil on the new coils today, then you can, aluminum or copper is fine. So here you have the no freeze control installed on a 1989 Linux equipment. And thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.